kids, this is a tutorial for our homecoming performance. The first song, whatever direction you're in, you're going something, okay, and you're going a direction. I'll go over that with you. Okay, so then you start out and your hands in a fist, and you go out, then you go, whew, go step, hit, boom, there's a swish, and then you go 1, 2, hit, forward, and you're going to go, but not to the side, you're going to go front. Then you're going to place your right hand, your left hand, and go front, back, hit, hit. Then you're going to go place, back, jump, step, slide, boom. Okay? Then after that, you go slide forward. And you go 1, 2, 3. I just burped. Hit, boom. And then you're going to kind of jam however you want to jam. And then facing that same way, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Okay, then you're jamming. You're not really doing anything. You're jamming. Then you're going to go jump, jump, jam, hit. 1, 2, 3. Hit. Then you're going to go step here. And you're going to go here. And you're going to go jam, jam, down, over, out, up, away. Then you're, oh, I'm not done. Then you're kind of jamming, however, and then we're doing this thing, which I will figure out with someone. And then wobble, we're going 2, 2, 2, step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, and we're moving. That is it. I'll do it with music. Don't stop it. Are you ready to see?
Don't stop it. Don't stop it.
That's the wrong
But I want to.
Don't stop it. Which one?
I'll do it as I please. God, my hand is shaking. We should back up a bit. Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Real skinny, loud color tints, body marked up like a phoenix. I don't push a Maserati, Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. Yeah, I wrote a foreign, and that sound like a spin. Hey, go ahead and doubt us, I know what you know about us. And we ain't got a battle, and we took another route. No, we ain't blowing trees, bro. Open up my window. I see you grabbing tags, but you know that's why your in slow. I try to tell them we was coming, come let us see. Run your head and let me out a bunch of holy kids. No gimmicks, spirit in my lyrics. Know when people hear it, they gon' love it, they gon' fear it. Ain't how we grow, 'cause when we show up at our show, they say we going so hard in the paint, they can't wait for some more. And some others say we preaching, some close-minded teachers. Like we ain't heard hearts like a ninja. Believe me, if they don't know about us, they don't know about us. If they don't know about us, then they don't know about us. If they don't know about us, they think we dumb, diddy dumb. But they gon' know, they gon' know about us.
Don't move it. Don't stop.
Shorty's in the club, let me see you dance. Back it up, drop it down, let me see you dance. Get low, scrub the ground, let me see you dance. Push it up, let me see you dance. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble. Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Because why not? Don't tell Mom, she might be mad. She's not gonna watch this video, so who knows?
Do it again. Wait.
Hi, Zach.
What have you done?
Hi, here, dude. Hi.
Hey,
Hi.
the internet. These hips don't lie. I'm just kidding. Stop.
Okay.
Hi.